up and down, up and down. Hello everyone, Callie Storm Doll here, and today we're going into the world of Barbie Looks. Now, and this is wave 2. If you guys follow me on Instagram or here on YouTube, I did put out that originally Walmart sent me number 8, and I did tell them about it. So today we have, bam, we have number 7. It's right here on the side. So this is model number 7. This is the Barbie Looks campaign, and this is the petite girl. Like, you can look in the box and tell that she's the petite one because she's not even fully at the top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get her out of this packaging because I have been waiting, and we're gonna see what this petite beauty is bringing to the e-party. We'll be right back. All right, we are back, and we have Miss Mika out of her packaging. Yes, it was revealed online that the name of this face sculpt, because Mattel has been using original sculpts and giving them name. Her original sculpt name is Tamika, but I'm gonna call her Miss Mika today. That's what we're gonna call her, Miss Meek. All right, so this is her certificate. This is the Barbie Looks certificate. We all get those. This is her stand. It is just the clear stand. It doesn't say looks or anything. It's just like, oh, you know. But this is what we're here for. So let's get into the doll. Now, looking her over, she is so cute. And this is her straight out of the packaging. Her hair has these beautiful highlights in it. But let's start at the bottom, okay? So these are her heels, and they're kind of like gladiator heels. And they go just under the knee, which is cute. She is a petite girl. And I had to look at my other Looks doll because I'm like, didn't they have painted nails? But they didn't. I took it too far. They didn't. And then we go up to her skirt, which is this shimmery silver material. Now, people who don't have the doll, this isn't hard. I don't want you guys to think this, because it gives stiff. I'm gonna tell you, before I had her, I thought this was a stiff skirt. It's definitely cotton, and it's a little stretch material, so it is soft for those who don't have her yet. And her top is made out of the same soft material, both the same. Her outfit is fairly simple. I think the big draw is that it is a new face sculpt. So let's see what that face is he giving. And Miss Mika is serving face. Her look is so interesting, and I'm like hypnotized in it. Her eye makeup, she has like the burgundy and blue, and her eyes are hazel. I love the lip. I kind of wonder what her lips will be giving without it. Am I bold enough to do it? If I'm able to get another one, I may remove that lip. No earrings, but they did give her a top pony, as you can see, and it has the burgundy. It also has the orange in it. It just looks so good, and her hair is really soft. Now, something I want to say, because it is a lot of positives, but I don't know if it's the weight of her hair, because she does have a lot of it. She has a little bit of a loose neck, and I don't know what that's about, but it's a little loose. It's not extremely loose, like she's like a bobblehead. But some positions I put her in, I don't know if it's because she has a high pony, that sometimes it will drag her down. Now, for some of you who want to see maybe like a quick comparison, I did bring up some other of my petite dolls. I have the petite from BMR, and I have the petite from Wave 1. So these are some petite dolls as well, if you wanted to get into her height. Kind of see what that height is giving. So she will be in this realm. If you own any of these dolls, you can kind of gather into her look. Now, she is compatible with other dolls as well. So this is the guy from BMR 1. So you guys can see that's her next to him. And then we also have the tall star from the first series, and they are on their stand. So I'm gonna put her on her stand as well. Gee, she's not even in frame. Let me back up. She's really tall. I think she might be taller than him. See what I mean? Her head just slid back again. I think it's the ponytail. I wonder if I don't know, if I dropped it, would it make her hair even heavier, or is it because they have it up in a the knot. I love that they did that though. That is so cute. She is adorable, y'all. She's worth it. I did pay $19.99 on Walmart. The other one isn't here. I really wasn't, I'm gonna tell you guys the truth. Out of these three in this second line, I was only feeling Miss Mika, Team Meek, because I mean, he gives me Jacob from, what's a show called, Twilight, and I already have a Jacob. Now I could get him, I plan on getting him to give Jacob a body because he gives that body. I wasn't feeling her, and it's not because I don't want her, but I've had to recently go on a dolly diet. That's what we're calling it, a dolly diet. And I'm like, if I can't afford right now to get all three, you know I'm not a sponsored girl, y'all know me. I'm like, well, let me at least get one to review. I can't get three. That's why when they sent her, I was a little like, I need Meek. If I can only get one, I want Team Mika. It's the truth. And you know, that's how it is when you're on a dolly diet. Sometimes, you know, you gotta cut costs and things like that. But yep, she's currently $20 on Walmart. I think they're gonna go through a restock. It was kind of tricky for them to even admit that they made the mistake, and then I was like, well, I don't want to have to wait, because they were telling me I was gonna have to wait for a restock. It was nothing I really could do. Then I got an email saying that I guess they found one in stock, or she was returned. I think this Mika was returned because I think they sent someone else the wrong one, because I got the email, then they said they were sending Mika out. She literally arrived like either the next day or the day after that. Like, yeah, because I need my Team Mika. And of course she's on a made to move body. For those of you who don't know, yes, her body is made to be moved, yes. But overall, I'm happy. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the end, because I will include some photos of Miss Mika. And let me know what you guys think about Wave 2 of the Looks campaign. Are you excited for them all? Have you collected them all? Let your girl know in that comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy your day.